McBrown's Kitchen. Again, McBrown's Kitchen. Bring us so. Yet to cano. Get it bow. So when you know, no, am I in here? Yet to cano. Get it bow. So when you know, yeah, my share.
Hello Ghana, me checha mo bio. And na so menya abedie. Na me ne one of your own. And never be no aduane no. Nti enko ba bia. And then it's more of oven, rice cooker and all that. And me pa chow. Enko ba bia o, yen soja. And use electricity and anu aduane no. Ma me na boafo ase. High sense. Everyday prices for everyday people. Munim say high sense there. Ura showroom pe ho na who to say home appliances there ni fie no. There wa Canada no, eno na wa Ghana. There wa America no, eno na wa Ghana. There wa Germany, eno na wa Ghana. High sense everyday prices for everyday people. Me ba to tasty tom. Ento se wo konkomu a e wo dwaso a Ghana for yedie if it's a vitamins and fiber wom me catch us a vitamin A, vitamin E, vitamin K, vitamin D ni nyina bi o tasty tom because I feel was here didi ye once corona no buy no you kasa yendidi no entwen corona nsa no wadidi ye nti didi ye tasty tom faka waduane ho me patch awake purified drinking water eno nie one for life awake eda wase want to bua we ye bua no no so de bua cardio center kolebu de bia enu ti de obeto bia no na mekai wo say ye yisu bia ka bom enu na maye nyina de ya do ye no kolebu no nyame nhira o sa wonum awake de bia mama and but your luncher kitchen na me kitchen kama luncher sanu adwumani luncher de oboro ma so ya kitchen no me say wo size ye be ye color wo pe ubenya enu nti ko Instagram na Facebook ube won luncher wo ho me pa cho delay mackerel delay sardine delay spaghetti yes ye da se bebre delay sanu adwumani and ya ye delay sanu adwumani ebusia royal aroma rice and more vitamins womo and more no kakra bia na tu na busua nyina so yeso ani royal aroma rice e wo dwaso e free na kro wo tomo aso pe royal aroma rice and aduane e be ye magi de be ginam said ye be ya aduane na be de na ye didi enya pomudin ti no magi de maka cho said de na shrimps and ye dry fish and a garlic count into Maggie the dead about do anymore. And mania kono yet them more. Me pacho Royal Kitchen were official Ghana in chancing ye, yan chance ya papa with the new diania and who sha. Oberpark Company Limited, your company, a dear and near bar, a friend's organic food, our Ghana. Oberpark, our Jane, Oberpark, or garlic, Oberpark, our ginger. Our market now be we see a ho akoma bibia ye akoma bia no if you overpack akoma ginger akoma garlic akoma onion into overpack niema bebre wa kwan mu no enche kra wo be hu ni nyina olive oil aye di na aboa ya koma na asa yetumi asa asrama ye ho na masa atoso eno na kakra bodi ye aduane a na ye de na ye hwam na aya akono kra keke bodies ye de bom paye no na ye di an medam wase me Chow and you bi na aboa na aka na na McBrown wonam yi abomu aya akono a metumi de kire we what ya say and ntimi train every beauty bowl salon and spa our Instagram me pacha Aligina makeover and I am makeup occasion bia hwehwe Aligina na matade ye wakono na ye ofede a and royal couture and I am mami royal couture na amame very simple I mean ami gina mu kama nyame hraw Irene ewusa ma mentwa me homra na de woni ba gime guest ho dodo said me dono a na manya no me show yi so no ama me hu say McBrown and McBrown's Kitchen just me nuamo and my brothers my sisters omo mu hwe ameni yakwachi YouTube nintino just say wanya ho ahwe TV so at me show YouTube now I am so excited say na manya no but ma mentwa me homra me ba pe McBrown's Kitchen, Edianafa Ede. Brim!
In 1967, High Sense Eda Sukra Yoboshem said, Yadia, ya be your home appliances, a ye papa, nane bo Eda from Ama Ankra, ewo Riasia Fanenina. High Sense, Yadia di Wawa Yahone say, Yan your ma yet, a buenipa, a wakon ya senginas, and ye nama mimusawe. A dear Ben Sana we here. Refrigerator, air conditioner, television, gas cooker, electric cooker, iron, rice cooker, washing machine, steamer, kettle, mobile phone, sound system, and now blender, a mongra. To an amount never high sense showroom BM. Najidi say, Ubenya the name water from Pato. Exactly a GM would you say any of my papented. High sense a penny of Jumekua, a minimum 5 years warranty. Ye initial one when you did that, until you see one from. Now, that dear will honor to the bar some swat. Your face will come, and your man, papa, and your ma, if you and your ma, and saying in a more day. And on the high sense, high sense. Everyday prices for everyday people.
235 251.
My husband deserves the best jollof.
Yay!
And so do my kids. Not necessary, dear. Because for the first time in Ghana, we have the new Tasty Tom Jollof Mix. This has all the pepper, onion, thyme, curry powder, ginger, garlic, and tomatoes I need to cook my tasty jollof with no stress at all. All I do is pour my oil, add Tasty Tom Jollof Mix, fry for 4 minutes, and add water, some cube and salt, and finally rice. And my tasty jollof is ready in only 45 minutes.
So tasty.
New Tasty Tom Jollof Mix. Remember to wash your hands regularly. Stay home and eat healthy.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Darling, plain or checkered?
Checkered.
That is why I trust you.
Mommy, I can't find the other one.
Top left drawer.
I trust you, Mommy.
It's good to be trusted. Just the same way I trust Royal Aroma Rice to give me that perfectly cooked rice every time. At my restaurant or at home, I trust Royal Aroma Rice every time.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
I had invited the boss for lunch. Okay, then I get called to handle some emergency. So I called my auntie Nat to help out, but she gets hopelessly stuck somewhere.
There's traffic in front of me.
What? So I call hubby, and he says,
What
are we going to do?
Relax, we've got this.
No, we don't. Now it's up to me and him to save the day. Are you okay? With help from something special, the new Dedede seasoning from Maggi. Specially made from natural fish, shrimps, and other ingredients. To give your cooking that special Dedede taste.
You need to tell me how you got that Dedede taste.
And then later she says,
Come see me Monday morning. Let's talk about the new branch we're opening.
Just then Auntie Na shows up. And just when I thought the drama was over,
My daughter, let's go into business.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
McBrown's Kitchen and the never add episode from Mama Kwaba, Montana Sidi, Mamma Madaroma, Namin to me fashion, no come a man cobebia. And ne, when you bear my bina and then about a year, Diano. Me who no check. Me about your DJ, bombing painful and you maybe. But me black or John Yumbisan home. Or no so paying for no more. What I said, and Tigana, let's welcome.
I should go.
Alhaji Sulley Muntari. Yeah, that's a shock. Hey.
How are you?
Corona, no corona. Ya boom rano so. I don't go. Wow, yes, I am mask near Refi.
Yeah.
I know ma. Pacha would you near?
Nice.
Yes. Yes. Hey. Wow.
This is nice.
Pacha,
I wash my hands also?
Yes, you are about
Okay.
Baby, Yanko Sakaka.
Yes, I
Hey, wait till the first
No, Massa, me that share I friends. I don't come. It's EP.
Okay, EP, mama. Away.
And one.
Bueno.
Yeah.
Thank you, DJ.
And
Pacho, I saw it to me a friend. I come, Mama Media. Yes, son of peace.
No.
Yes. Wow, Alaji. Now what to say?
No, yeah.
Atu.
Yeah, very good. Excited to see you. I watch you all the time. So you're doing amazing for us, for the country, and everybody. So
I like
your
it.
inspiration also.
Me dance. Just another I like you. Me china doso.
Mati.
Me china doso.
Me teach me free konongo so.
Into teaching.
Yeah.
Alaji.
Yes.
Me romance.
Okay.
Me wi ana so aba.
Mati.
Na fe ye de aduane no anu ahyehye so ho.
Yeah.
Wow. Ebusia for McBrown's kitchen nie. Won say baby do a hand washing segment. They do say per tasty tom. I say mingu soa na me fan kai bono. E ma ye nyina sa yen kosoa na yen hohoro yen sa. Ai, se nye corona nti na be hohoro yen sa. Se ye hohoro yen sa nkasa for own good. Ebi o yen no nsuo. Na yen da. Na yendi diye. Tasty Tom. Yada mo ase. Me ka say Tasty Tom na vitamins ebu anipadua no emma ne kutia yade bia no. Vitamin A, vitamin E, vitamin D, and a vitamin K. Ni nyina bi wo Tasty Tom. Strength comes from within no. Enu nti na ye ka. Yada mo ase Tasty Tom. Si connaissez the washing the voilà.
Lava le mani.
Oh, you know, capiche?
Yes.
Capito. Yeah, me
Could
did
you
like
some
3
what
weeks.
now was our bone rough on Tishi? Could you?
So, could you know parare Italy?
No. He understand.
No, but no parare pi. Want to mean kind of
Yeah, but we're good. We're good. Not dream.
Oh.
As a model, he's good.
Yeah?
As is good, yes.
Wow. Interaji, yeah. Okay,
chicken and the oven and some salad. Normally, sana like me free training bar. Me share football has now ubi and my parents like me 16 and me free a koi. So my parents buy for 2 months and they left. So now I have to cook for myself. Sometimes. So mostly I cook camp I do chicken and salad and stuff.
No pan on here.
Yeah, it's simple. Quick, what do you know? What
and it's healthy.
Yes.
It's healthy too.
Yeah.
Intiani alaji. Some catch them say yen soja and the bibia ye. I say you use electric akrana aye nyomano. And untino alaji yen share your ingredients. No, it looks like a nyomano doso.
Yeah.
But your food, as you say, is very simple.
Yes.
Before that, me refi also me mount you alaji kafra.
No manum.
Kafra.
Thank you. I need to take this out.
Crown. Me just have a fan underground.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm ready and to interesting coffee in Chintino.
If I'm doing.
I like you, baby. If you need it again, you can take it. Yeah.
So I should wear this?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Good. Into your share ingredients, no one by one.
Okay.
Yeah, what chicken?
Yeah, chicken is here.
Lettuce.
Green lettuce. Lettuce, green. White.
But you.
Yeah.
Okay. And what are vegetables?
Lemon, cucumbers, onions, cherry, tomatoes, pepper, but and that one.
Parsley.
Yeah, and ginger. But I'll use little things.
Okay.
So,
Okay. I'm also the use royal aroma.
Yeah.
Now I like the spices be by. I know now I will be with you baby tino.
Yeah.
So be person your chicken be the bro.
I mean go me.
Because me pato aside me magi the dead no. I like the mustard and
me crow for aba.
Ni cruise be aba say ya. Asia kono. So when him the dia we share no baby I know what to be.
Yeah, know what to be.
So I like how we started it.
I need a bowl, a little bowl.
Okay.
Not little, but a bit bigger.
Like this one?
Yes, perfect.
Okay.
This is perfect. So first we need the mustard, mustard.
Mustard, no.
Yeah.
Okay.
With that teaspoon probably.
Okay. I will say mustard there.
So I should stand where? I should stand here or?
I like to be it's like freestyle.
Yeah.
Hopefully so
hopefully let me know if you be because is easy and wash your shorts now and then when you call in Diago now straight because mostly my nieces they really like the chicken here scoops menu and I mean so it depends how the chicken say those one and those one.
Okay.
So and your watery baby.
Okay.
So I think
but I like the idea need a very simple plant, you know.
It's very simple, very simple.
Me said your band, but said I don't
Yeah, so you have maybe soya sauce. I think yeah, it depends. But medium minimum. So we create like spoon, probably 2.5. Yeah, let's say.
Soya sauce, they're fried rice, no?
Yeah, and ubi. And then now the Kukuma gum, Italian. How do you say
turmeric.
Turmeric, yes. So with your gum kakra, but not a lot. So yeah.
BBI according to taste and according to chicken or the door.
Yeah, true. And yes, I be a bit sauce in the bed dozen so I don't even know this one, but me ingredients are so it's it was
to be honest, back rosemary.
That one that I think. No, this one is rosemary.
Yeah, rosemary.
And then you mix this one. So you put them together inside. Yeah, so then this one comes in.
Me pa try allergy spices.
Because umagi is important. And every man
allergy unim.
So let's yeah, true.
Okay.
Me coffee is bingo.
Allergy memo bebre.
Perfect.
So we have show now at the end of the day, won't say we also love you coming to know.
Yeah, but your show is really like far. We show really far because I watch it over there. I'm sure
I'm very sure.
Yeah,
thank you very much, Alaji. Inti pacho ye kafrao.
I'll need olive oil, please.
Pacho now the way classic.
That one.
Okay, that one.
Virgin extra.
Extra, yes.
I can open it for you.
Thank you.
So now I'm ready.
Alaji, I'm very particular about never now mixing into me in Komono.
Okay.
Because I want you see people like you. You always tell me so, Nana, you are doing well, but I must also tell you, say, you're also doing well. You've done so much for yourself and for the nation. Meaning, say, we are Konongo boy.
Yeah, my parents, my father free Katsina, which is Nigeria, part Nigeria. But more not over Tafo, Koforia Tafo. But me mommy Konongo or Wangarani. And then so yeah, and me now co school. So and I'm co school Kumasi, JSS, and I'm co OKS. And then yes. Yeah, I did. So now I think I'll need my gloves some part.
Oh yes, you need the gloves.
Yeah.
So okay. Yeah. Wow.
Yeah.
And no. Inti Alaji boy mo.
All right. So
football career also started Okonongo.
Yeah, started Okonongo. Na your Orman FC. Konongo here. No, why some papa? And yes, why some papa? So on in it like or shoes, everything, mommy. But I had my mom that she was really supportive. My dad was there, but he wasn't like Wantina in China. He was in Nigeria. Yet in Nigeria for some time. So and then we went to Nigeria, and I stayed. I came to Ghana, and I'm 8 years. So my mom was doing everything. My mom, she's really strong, like really strong.
Hey.
Amazing woman. She. if it's not my mom, I'm not sure I'll be here today.
Wow.
So she's
Allah
she has done everything for me. So and my dad too. May his soul rest in peace.
Into the fried chicken, oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, mix na you know.
Yeah. So
chicken, no. Into Alaji.
That was it.
Yeah, Ben, who started football. Now,
yeah, I was very young. Around 98. We started around 98. So we started around 98, and then I finished school around 2000. I didn't finish school. Excuse me, because I left. I left school. And then yes.
Chase football.
Of course, because I knew this is what I wanted. So 2000, around 98, we were there, and then Oremine FC came, and then we started Kakra.
From Konongo.
Yeah, so like for 2 years, I was really kitwebi. So it can't.
They can push you.
Push me. It's not push. And I'm create training on Penny 4 and the member. So I have to before my babe ni nyina makofi na makosi. So that in the morning, like the following day, they will let me play. So at least no more about like 2 minutes, and I was happy with it. But like we don't have much time. Like I made Nkedibe share free gym for some minute.
Oh, okay.
So then it sucks really. Can I have the spoon?
Yes.
What job will spoon? So you need to take everything out.
Oh, yeah. Under 17.
Yeah.
You pick up from where?
From school.
From school football.
Yes, yeah. From school. I was 16 when they picked me up. So we went to school, and then we went out in African qualifiers, but it was Gabon. So they took us out. So at that time, Odatilam Timu almost say under 17, meaning they were so good. So yeah, I bet you. Gago Mohammed or Sekou Fomo, they were so good. And yet strange said they had amazing career, all of them. You get me? So when we came back, lucky, Nami was sports council Kumasi. We year training or a stadium Nechi. Right. So your Boca Chireza and under 24 Bible Coach Afranindo Mobile Kumasi. Then from there into your ball first, I say I'm never born your bonny we are kitty. Yes, but still overball. Like you have to play. So I think I played well. So after the game, I don't know how, that time phone then Juma. How can you communicate with somebody? But he managed to get me in, like Kachirobi.
And I'll go under 17. No?
Yeah. No, under 20.
Under 20,
yes.
Sorry. At the time I was shining, it was my brave football, my failure.
Yeah, so that was last day, and Satam Kotoko, Epese or Mufami, and Liberty in Swaba. Slight Teteme, so rest in peace.
Yeah.
He gave me life also. Without him, I won't be here today. The man he did everything for us, everything for me especially. With Mr. Hanson, he lives in Dansuma, on in a partner, no. So basically, that's how it happens. And my mom, I remember Liberty Babe family and mommy buy his company. My son is going to Kotoko, and I love Kotoko. Kotoko is like everything because I grew up around stadium, so I see Kotoko. We go to stadium 9 a.m. before Kotoko, and Kotoko, Paki, amazing players. Obudai, Makeles, and Derek Boatin, they were already top Omobo, which they went from Liberty. So I look at Kotoko, they'll buy me with all the money. I'll play a little bit, but they were top players. I couldn't compete with them. So where can I compete? Liberty, which is young, I can. So my mom said, don't go. I said, Meko. That was the first time I disrespected my mom. Yeah, so.
And about Liberty.
Yes, I couldn't see my mom suffer again. So at a young age, I had to take the decision. So I did that, and yes.
Already.
Yeah.
Yeah, twice I ain't me chicken. No.
Yeah.
So say they said yes, I draw. I grow chicken. Or I said they share free gym. I could come fine.
Yeah, I think so.
Yes, I could come fine.
I think so.
No, you're buying a day. Say.
Now, me hear your friend saying,
Ovenbo.
Yeah.
Okay.
So now we need a little bit of olive oil also. Then no rub it in.
Aye.
So you rub it in. Yeah, that's it. Then you rub it in, so it doesn't. This one won't stick it.
Okay.
It won't stick. Yeah. So.
It's a baby. I do not dear. Yeah, the chicken no ever go over. I should have on it first. Yeah.
So when I will be taking over in charge. Normally, say me or there, I do it. Say me but say me fear there. I needs to be a friend Dorothy, so she will put everything inside.
And we only say we are not Dorothy, dear.
Yes.
And Dorothy, my foul position, why? Wow, I was for a large and the papa. Meaning, who can say. Sometimes when you will be from afar, because on your hair,
because if you have work to do, you won't be thinking about somebody. Probably you'll be thinking about somebody, like you look at people that have good life, that are doing positive things, and then you watch them and then get something from them.
Yes.
But you can't sit down and talk about somebody that won't even know.
It's true.
It's true. That's ignorance.
It's true. Yep. It's true.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. I like you. You seem to be too much a family man.
Yep. Hey, but without family, I think you can't go anywhere. It's true. They are the only people that will will support you when you are down and all those things.
Yes.
So shrimps?
Shrimp, yeah.
Nice. Yeah.
Me pe chicken, no? Chicken, so me pe casino.
Me too. Me vi dumpini na dumpini soon. Yeah.
Hey, what did you say? No, Crawford, what did you say?
Na me nipa wa free kuma so teach you there. Hey.
Yes, what did you?
Me teach you. Kakakra me ya friends e ochia me. Nana before Nana kasa na maka for Nana.
Na real.
Yeah.
Yeah. Everything for McBrown's kitchen near and they have a grilled chicken. Won't say Sulley Muntari dead and it's been real. I did it. Hey, look at my shock. My name's and who any casa. So, what are you doing? Oven time.
Yeah.
So I say what they mean take you over.
Yes, please take over.
Show.
Yeah. No, shit.
What they may take you over.
My shishi de that so. There's nothing. I'll help you to that part. Then now
they're
all right. Okay. Like that or like this?
Not long. Straight, yes. I like you hear now. Everything for my son. So
yeah, so should we cook the rice?
Yes, we should start with the rice one.
Okay. Rice, it doesn't like takes little time now.
And check.
Me normally I don't wash my rice. Me the gum.
Some me boom siamon.
Yeah, okay.
Who put the gum said the obobo no?
Yeah.
Said the wish go.
Yeah.
Wow.
Go Michelle. As someone can she goes.
And I didn't wish go da.
Yeah, I do.
When I said the akwan said the
me try man for nkwan. Yeah.
There's so you stop on field and so say.
Yeah, but that's where I eat.
Anyway.
Yeah.
So nobody should stop.
Like maybe at night if you know like not every zongo, but every Muslim, even Christians nibi. If you are trying to
compound house.
Yes. And Adriani the Sibo the sea in him. So one didn't tell me what happened.
Of course. Oh, you're best changer.
Yeah. So that's how I transformed. Because semikodia grow that's where I eat.
To be best stop you better form.
No.
Channel.
Yeah. You can go, I'll be here. That's the thing.
I was for
yeah.
Alaji Sulley Muntari.
Yeah.
Oh, Alaji. So all these years you've not been here.
But me sure we are. So how come say like I see your I watch your program. How come say me nim akwana na kakrakano.
Why akrobeto?
Yeah.
Na yiben.
Oh, you penning to me na you know.
Who knows tomorrow?
Yeah, these guys.
Only akrobeto.
But I have to put water inside first.
Yes, anyhow you want it.
Okay.
Pepper.
Yes.
Good.
Smells good.
Yeah, royal aroma rice.
So I should put it like that.
Yes,
so
yes, Alaji. Alaji, you know
yeah.
Aye. Yeah, family man, what the kitchen I say?
Yeah, I know.
Because
my son,
I've been Jamal boa.
Yeah, Jamal only chicken in kwano here because he wants to taste the friends and sauce, friends and amiyano.
Oh, Mr. Now, yeah.
It's all right. Tell me if it's okay.
Okay, if I can crack on Alaji.
Because sometimes I me
do you like a hot, soft or hard?
Soft.
Okay, salt.
I don't eat salt.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Because
wow.
your friends and she'll be bridging home. I think that's what I think. Put salt because you're gonna eat it.
Oh no, Alaji, no, don't worry about it.
I'll eat it. Yeah, no.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
But I'm okay.
No.
Sir.
This is your house. You need to do it.
Okay.
SE11. Yeah, okay. My salt in
no,
more?
Yeah.
Do you know? I'll tell you something. Do you know? Say like some time ago, I was in Italy, and I'm saying, it was really cold, and I'm saying, Charlie, my tea kakra. Say, I will buy an tea. Me tea.
I want my own tea.
Charlie, me tea. Na me na me call your friends and draw them coffee baby gum. Me feel say sugar. Charlie, me taste tea and me say, hey, one day, some salt na good tea. It's crazy. Every day be I'm fast salt we are makai. It's not nice. No, it's not nice. Tonight alone now we that time I wasn't with Mine.
How many years with Mine? Because they say Kasaning na Mine, family man, you know. Shout out to Mine. How many years now?
Mine, so we are in 2020. So it's been a decade. Now decade is what? 10? Yeah. Wow.
10 years with Mine.
Mamma mia. Say me tell you here. How dream.
Sir?
Yeah, but she's sweet. She's really really hold me down really a lot. Cause when I'm not difficult, but some corner game in here, na me buffy. I'm different type grandpa. You get me? But she's really tough also. But she holds me really well.
Wow.
And
they say babies near say?
2.
2?
Yeah.
1 boy, 1 girl, 2 boys, 2... We know...
1.
1.
Yeah.
Wow.
1 girl, 1 boy, yeah.
Wow, I would say salad. Once a name come on, very easy and very nice. Just say Sulley boy and come on kasa. And the other so boy if you when me an kasa so. And you try salad. You try
Normally, and you say more and you know shade your friends and shade.
This one?
Come we bear half.
Oh, thank God.
A whole video be bring now bobo. Yeah.
And me bobi na me do baby no say me jai.
Yeah, true.
Because I do baby na man no football no.
Yeah. And especially I say not like share. What is in my like me coming agendas, you know, say now I'm moving home and I'm putting things together. I really want to help a lot, meaning women football.
Okay.
I really want to contribute. At least they should like feel something. So probably I'll talk to the FA. We'll come together and do something really good for them.
Wow.
Because yeah.
Alaji, you have to. Because a man no more bread.
Yeah.
And I want to say man so your time with them.
Yeah. They don't
At
have
the same time, so society doesn't really accept say
Obobo.
No sir.
Yeah, but now BBS is and listen, I think women, someone new years here, it will be totally different thing.
I'm telling you.
I'm sure that I won't be able to live without a woman, and it's because of woman that I'm here.
Yeah.
My mom, if she didn't give birth to me, I won't be here. So.
And support all this while.
Yeah, so that one there, if you caught outside Nidia, then wouldn't be a problem. Yeah.
And I'm happy it's on McBrown's kitchen now.
Yeah.
What can say? Said okay, quite cheap, and we all will look outside.
Yeah.
So support you.
So
which will go along with.
I really need to do that. Onions in there, I mean like minim chicha. So I'll just keep to
Okay.
Like ukofina with the onions are meaning your breath smells like onions. So your breath smells like onions. Yeah.
Wow, I was have for McBrown's kitchen and me pa cho ya chicken no akona nimu pa sa bread ya aya akono a wa say camera ne ko close abon say oven ne ye ne ho adwuma. Chicken aya akono spices no smells so good. I can't wait say. Ebe tom touch am so.
Yep.
Sa bread ya be salad no. Alhaji. Ya be ye kono say.
Midigum then not much.
What's midigum?
Yeah, salad there is simple. It's not ubenwa. So this is washed already, no?
Yes, everything is washed. Everything.
Put it in there a bit.
Okay. Rice this one.
Yeah.
Yeah, shakra because already you say. Are you okay?
Yeah. But did you put the salt?
Oh yeah, the salt
okay.
kakra go.
Because some of the gumama know what tasty. So otherwise,
the salt kakra.
It won't be nice. That's how you take these things off. Because normally, I told you, Dorothy, he does this. Yeah.
And then the Dorothy here.
Yeah, Dorothy, I will do it by myself.
Yeah. Alaji.
See.
Me pa choba ka year ubo abrochi football.
Yep. That was 2001. Yeah, 2001.
Team Bain. Udinese.
I was 16. Yeah. And my year was the last year I almost stopped underage kids to go outside and play. So I was lucky. So now SOD, I think 18 or 19 before you go out. By mid-time, I was 16. So I got there like a few months later, I was 17. But anyway, it was good. I started at that time and then that's it. Yeah. I played with Udinese 5 years.
And I'll call her?
I'm called Portsmouth.
Portsmouth, yes.
Portsmouth almost signed me. So within a year, Portsmouth, and then Mourinho framed me, and then I went back to Inter. So I was home, like training, and I was home. Yeah, training away, and Kofi.
And Mourinho framed.
Yeah, I was inside Mini. So he called the phone, I picked up, I see Mourinho. I said, hello, sir, how are you? I said, good. Do you want to play for me? I said, yes, sir. And then he said, okay, I'll see you in Milano. So we just packed our bags right away, and then immediately fly to Milan. And then I signed. That was it.
Hey, lucky Alaji. Lucky boy.
No, it wasn't. Yeah, of course, lucky, yes. But I was like really, really, Redknapp signing me. And Redknapp is amazing coach also. Portsmouth, we did very well that year. Year 5 FA Cup, with Kanu.
England.
Yes, Kanu and Lauren, so Campbell, other great players, Utaka. So, and then so following year, Mourinho framed.
Yeah. Mourinho was in China for how many years?
For 2 years, lucky for us. First year, yes, we won. Second year, we won even 3 trophies in a year. Because, they win the Champions League. So he left us to Madrid. And then he changed. So he left. I spent 1 year in Italy.
Into what about the next? Portsmouth?
Inter Milan. AC Milan. Etihad, Saudi Arabia.
Okay.
And then I came back to Italy, Pescara, and then I played with Seedorf. He was my coach. I played with him and Deportivo, which is in
La Coruña.
Yeah.
Hey, Timba kwani dinyami danono. Emi nubiya sembai. Deportivo La Coruña. La kuna mkande obesira to form. Galatasaray.
Gala really. I started more Inter Milan. I was going to go to Galatasaray. Yeah, but it didn't happen.
It didn't
It's a huge team.
Me say Deportivo La Coruña.
Sam Johnson played in Galatasaray. Sam Johnson, I think, a handful. Sina. And then Olile. For me, I think Olile is the all-time keeper in the
Ghana.
For me, Ghana in the world. Olile de Mafano, like he's my best. If you like succeed in things that you do, of course you're where you can any nyame e kan ho, but teammate nso kan ho.
Yeah.
Like ubeti lucky ubenya teammate really good, and I was lucky to have them. Michael Essien, Stephen Appiah, Bralai, Olile, Ricardo, and when I was growing up, Derek Boateng, Razak Ibrahim, Razak Pimpong. They were just different kind of players, different.
Wow.
I came in later, and it's too much. Asamoah Kojotu is crazy, good player, but he came in, he's young.
And Drew baby not Ghana for so my men come out.
Oh, so Kumami are good because she gave birth to me?
And I said my mama is you be back and
perfect. It's the same way, but if she Kumami, definitely, yeah, because she knows who I am.
Yeah.
Like me and Niba, and she knows the kind of person I am.
Yeah.
I don't like to be cheated on. And the same thing likewise. Because me pesa will be you deserve this, you get it.
Now, what was the Nipa no meka wa won kokano?
Baby. No, I'm telling baby.
Baby.
No, it's now baby.
Alaji, you do him.
Salad na mix, yeah. And then now we pay olive oil kakane da from. I say we did it. Yes, I be put more of them. The only thing I will open it as through say unbound channel like unini bobola. So first round me know boy make sure say me boo pa anti next time we will say okay yeah we baba boy AC Milan and I baba boy against Inter. How through? Utim you know through because me boo waka coach na kan. Yes a boo. Me try yeah. So because that's where I eat.
Stubborn.
That's where I eat. It's not stubbornness.
You're right. So, Alaji, my man chicken na fe yen commercial break him.
Perfect.
So we end no.
No.
You leave it like that.
Yes, I think so. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Be good.
Okay. And then I betum na ya salad no so ya wie ye mo no so no ya share dada.
Yeah.
Oh you okay?
Do you know one thing? Ubetimi the way into the salad ubetimi the way sauce na go rice no so really good.
Yeah. So baby say stew no na sauce no.
Nya bomu stew kakra kane dia tabum pa. No. This is Italian
mix.
Yes.
One try teliko when you walk again.
Nope.
Was I a chef cow?
Yeah.
And you know, you better commercial break about.
Perfect.
Good.
If it's in 1967, high sense and that's a cry bushim say, yeah, dear, ya be home appliances, a ye papa, none bo at that from a man cra, I will reassert for the high sense, yeah, dear, the walk why I want to say, yan your ma yet, a buanipa, a walk on your singing house, and the number mimus away. A dear Ben Sana we here. Refrigerator, air conditioner, television, gas cooker, electric cooker, iron, rice cooker, washing machine, steamer, kettle, mobile phone, sound system, and now blender, a momogra. To an ammonefako high sense showroom BM. Najidi say, Ubenya the name water from Pato. Exactly a GM would say in your Maya papentin. High sense a penny to Mekua, a minimum 5 years warranty. Yenny so one when you did that, into Yensi one form. Now that dear will honor to the bassam swat, your see you come, and your mayor papa, and your ma efe. If you your ma and saying in a more ding, another high sense, yeah, high sense. Everyday prices for everyday people.
2351251.
My husband deserves the best jollof.
Yay!
And so do my kids. Not necessary, dear. Because for the first time in Ghana, we have the new Tasty Tom Jollof Mix. This has all the pepper, onion, thyme, curry powder, ginger, garlic, and tomatoes I need to cook my tasty jollof with no stress at all. All I do is pour my oil, add Tasty Tom Jollof Mix, fry for 4 minutes, and add water, some cube and salt, and finally rice. And my tasty jollof is ready in only 45 minutes.
So tasty.
New Tasty Tom Jollof Mix. Remember to wash your hands regularly. Stay home and eat healthy.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Darling, plain or check it.
Checkered.
That is why I trust you.
Mommy, I can't find the other one.
Top left drawer.
I trust you, Mommy.
It's good to be trusted. Just the same way I trust Royal Aroma Rice to give me that perfectly cooked rice every time. At my restaurant or at home, I trust Royal Aroma Rice every time.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
I had invited the boss for lunch.
Okay.
Then I get called to handle some emergency. So I called my auntie Na to help her, but she gets stuck somewhere. So I call hubby. Now it's up to me and him to save the day with help from something special. The new Dedede seasoning from Maggi, specially made from natural fish, shrimps, and other ingredients to give your cooking that special Dedede taste.
Dedede. Come see me Monday morning.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Borges extra virgin olive oil, best for salad dressing. A little of Borges classic olive oil will make delicious meals. Borges with garlic, excellent for your grills. Make your meals with Borges, always. Borges olive oil.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by FDA.
Wait. I'm supposed to say action first. I said wait.
Let's go again. Spaghetti. Delay.
No, cut. That's not it. Won't you talk?
Delay spaghetti is.
Cut. Do you think we are here to joke? You have eaten all the spaghetti. You have delayed the shoot. Eat the food and say the slogan. And action.
Delay spaghetti. Meda sipebre.
Boss, I beg. I'll be there 9.
Oh, you've got to be kidding me.
Sorry.
FDA, ahwehwe saa edwadie nkratoyi yi mu agye atomu se eye.
McBrown's kitchen I was for Ediana pa ede wamunim and nessa de me cornwall and they oven salad rice crabbing out and say alaji aye Italian's recipe special and then a minute no babedi. Aye, made that for say high sense everyday prices for everyday people. Tasty Tom enriched tomato mix, and a Tasty Tom jollof mix. Ninyina ewo dwaso. Awake purified drinking water. One is for life. Launch a kitchen, Sanwe Jumani. Your tranquility is our priority. What I say? Borges olive oil. Borges, the best always. And no na yema wa bribia. Me pato delay mackerel, delay sardine, delay spaghetti. Yedase bebre. Royal aroma rice. Maggie the dead and no can be nene. Enu ane yede na eboy so ema ya ho de SCP. Sana made that Royal Kitchenware official Ghana say. And Overpack Company Limited. Overpack Company Limited. Ebusia for me my boyfriend. But baby adri ye ba be didi. Edru sabre ya me pese me frɛ me guest. So and no coffee akache me na se ma frɛ din foforo. So ana SM.
Yeah.
Sulley Muntari SM. Now grow SM na dansa na shata eba wo.
Yeah no.
Alaji. And near me nyina from the sponsors ho.
Okay.
From Awake Purified Drinking Water, Casaprecon, and a Royal Kitchenware official Ghana. High Sense, there's only Miami company.
Yes, I know
High
that.
Sense, we're a rice cooker. And Royal Aroma Rice, Tasty Tom say me company.
Right.
Royal Aroma Rice say me company. And a Borges olive oil. Maggie the dead and a delay. Me patrol. And near me, Nina, oh dear.
Really? That's a lot. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for the present. No.
You're welcome. Yeah, but me be tasty chicken.
Okay.
Inti yanko didi.
All right.
But you be free fan, McBrown's kitchen fan. And unti DJ, Mr. Mame. However, you be obi afa mame.
Asa. No, Asa is good, very good. Nice.
Wow! Thank you, Linda. Thank you. Oh, wait, a guy. I wouldn't start. 1 minute show. No. 1 minute show. No. Wow, what did I want to say?
Watch on me now, say.
Woko.
Mr. Sulley Muntari.
Bravo.
Fakonyan, bra. Alaji, me pesa me you chicken, no.
Perfect.
Alaji.
Yes.
Man, Jonah came to meet you.
Yeah.
Wow, it was nice. Your grilled chicken, no, are you ready? The patcha salad and ladies or second lemon.
Yeah.
Or the big boom. And then I ready. Allah, she has so much. Amen. And pay an animal bono.
Yeah. Perfect.
But say for me, what you say? McBrown's kitchen with your for a diane pa a day. Now, yes, you nana sauce, Nintino. Oh, yeah, pet no as a sauce, no. And one chicken, ye DBD. Oh, Sano, Unya olive or salad, no. That's how they are petty, so no one Borges, olive oil, papa. Okay. Okay.
I haven't tried it.
Salad in your bag. Okay. I can't on the number. Maybe I'm feeling to me now, but
easy. Eat it.
Oh, food.
Yeah.
Oh, chicken here, come.
I know. Oh, I'm in SME, but.
Chicken here, come on.
The sauce.
And one sauce and one stew. Wow.
Jamal favorite, man, so.
Wow. Adriana. Sweetheart, who did it about the Casa Show? Patch your frozen.
Patch your friend Michael Kwabna dance.
Michael Kwabna?
Patch your
where are you, my baby?
Patch me a professional photographer.
Professional photographer. What is Instagram?
Patch on my Instagram.
Oh, Patch on you.
Patch on my Instagram, me a case_photographs. Case_photographs. Patch on.
And now about my ground kitchen. What was Sulley Muntari?
Patch on.
Oh, your opportunity to see. Either say, oh, maybe son of the beer. Maybe I wouldn't even know that I'm a chill, so. And now I can't crash so much. Go on.
Pacho, me name Sulley Ache. And I'm saying me bisa say the main challenges now. Yeah, we face foreign countries due to we know racism ni sahanya manyamano.
I was wondering challenges be but I think your determination, any wide in your mindset, that will make you go through it. because very, very difficult sell or outside unifi or outside will be country and everything. But it's the way that you comport yourself and the way that you work, your work rate and all those things can set you different from everyone.
Also, Michael Ebisa signed the Metro Sima. We are one person who suffer racism.
Yes, I did once, but I walk out of the field.
Because it hurts you.
Yeah, it hurts because we all one. Like you're black, you're white, we have the same blood running through us. We were created by the same God, and you can't discriminate by somebody's color. Because so we have been in pair, I'll just walk away. So I did, but I'm hoping things will change, and nobody will change it. We live in this world, we have to change it.
Yeah.
So I really like that.
Maybe chicken first of all. And a salad now.
Yeah.
And my rice also tastes good.
See?
And then do any giddy beer?
No.
But if you listen my balance in here.
Yep. That's how it is. Yeah.
Now, Ladi, let's come back to you. Michael, that's why. If no question, no. Ladi, what's what about Ghana?
Yes.
For good? Or after Corona, you go back?
I'm in and out.
In and out?
Yes.
Now, I also know why for your interview. It was funny,
she wanted to interview. You want more?
No more.
She wanted to interview me.
Yeah, social media.
Oh, yeah. She wanted to interview me. Libya. So you can't even sleep.
Yeah, I like you need now come.
Yeah, I have to more.
Yeah. No, okay, wait. After we
okay.
In Cebu before. Yeah, chicken. Why you need now come? So far, so good. Boy, come on. Ghana for a town culture. Won't interview you, baby? What's new?
Nothing is new. Maybe another new little kid that's added to the family. But
baby Mine.
Little baby. There's baby Mine there before. Baby Mine, she's Mine's brother's son and daughter.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So and then another 3 girls that we have, Jayla, Jamie, and Janelle. But they're big now. And then Jamal, and then my little one.
So far, only Mine there, me and Jamal, and a little girl. Wow, when you need?
She just turned 1.
Oh, she just turned 1. When you're enjoying her home.
Yeah, she's tough, very tough.
The person will come be with you Ghana for.
The only thing is, Emeka, I really appreciate every support and every time since my career starts here, support from Ghanaians, family, and that, I really appreciative. And so all the time, I make sure colors, about Ghana be a privilege, mommy. So I've never been doubted, say, like me, share, and then I have any doubt, never. Even if I'm sick, I do give my all for myself, for the nation and the people. And because there's so much love around here. So the same love, we have to transform it to the elections with love, peace, and we should do it really good. Because outside world, they really admire Ghana. When you go, even trying to do business, whatever, they ask you, where are you from? Ghana? Okay, I'm coming to live in Ghana because Ghana is a peaceful country. And that's what we want. We have little kids that are coming now that we need to take care of them. Their future is very important for us. If we are the leaders, definitely we need to pave way. We need to make things right for them, for their future. But I'm glad you enjoyed it.
Me too, I see.
Also, he's glad you enjoyed it. Anyway, it was time for McBrown's continue. To be honest with you, chicken was so far on some and they are my chicken, me cry, mobile. My main, na DDA, Sulley Muntari. So by McBrown's kitchen. When you'll be out here, and for me to have you here, there, it's a privilege, sir.
Yes.
Big up. Gracias. See, domani me parlare telephone.
Okay.
O c'erano per me phone, lo so.
Va bene.
Gracias. I was there for me tell you about. Me tell you about. It was me tell you about. Me ankasa. Me da boy for say. High sense everyday prices for everyday people. Tasty Tom, the only tomato mix with vitamins and fiber. Strength comes from within. Tasty Tom jollof mix. Jollof in a jiffy. Yadamwase. Awake purified drinking water. One for life. Sana made a launcher kitchen as say. For the kitchen, the launcher, and I do my main.
That's good.
Hey, delay mackerel, delay sardine, delay spaghetti. That's be Royal Kitchenware Official Ghana and then Chancey Papa Free Nutino me don't want say Sana meda Maggie de Dasi Maggie de Nyami Shramo Borges olive oil Borges Nyami Shramo Royal Aroma Rice Madam Wasi and Oba Park Company Limited Oberpark Company Limited. Nyami Shramunina. Ebusafu sana me kono me besa me da me nuamu ase Beauty Bowl Salon and Spa. Beauty Bowl. Sana matade free Royal Couture we Instagram. Irene ewo nipa abotre dodo. Royal me da wase too much. Aligina makeover. Alice and I am makeup yi. Ebusafu me bia do ne de. Ya kwa no by kai say obekoso ahoro wonsa na wakoso ai edidi ye wada ye wanumsuo ye wai say de tie no mk o man kwa pepa choje wa chede nie
that's
McBrown's kitchen o chade nana yeah high sense mau iron na Royal Kitchenware Official Ghana so ama Chelsea Onyamishra say obai wate.
Thank you.
What are you, Mama? Until Mama, I don't say to what are you?
I am Yami.
Yami. Oh, why Omo can't say no? Baba show many months and no more. And so now there are some show be. Alaji.
Yes.
Pass one day. Aja why do? Aja ni me na idea.
Yeah.
Aye, Aja ye juma no do baby. Na me na you better give over.
Yeah.
And then no vie nti kwa catch me ni say me channel.
I will.
Me patcho me ma hand sanitizer.
Thank you very much.
Aye.
I need it.
Thank you so much.
I need it.
Ebusuafo McBrown's kitchen ha na edi besie. Aye. But before I say me kono, Alaje.
See.
The company they use the kitchen.
See.
Company me my kitchen.
Right.
Yeah. Yo Polaris ayo ndare the money casa what are they? Omuye omba ufia ombe sese ho ya ma.
Perfect.
Wadaroma. Lunch ayeda mo ase. Me pa cha ye be pon. Ene ye nyina ye ninyo. Inti ye be we chicken. Na ye de ayeden. E de akwa na pesa osa.
Yoki.
Uyoki o.
Yoki.
Ankrofo ma ke wasa no de. Ebusuafo McBrown's kitchen ni Alaji. Enka baba into Ghana for.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. And baba kweka. Oh, ciao. 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 Brim.
McBrown's kitchen. Again, McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. Again, McBrown's kitchen. Yet to Kano, get it bow. So when you know, no, am I in here? Yet to Kano, get it bow. So when you know, yeah, my share. McBrown's kitchen, McBrown's kitchen.